So this is going to be a walkthrough for the Biypod's customizer. So I'll talk about how to use the customizer, everything about it, features, buttons, and basically everything you can see here, I will explain it. So let's start by going through the very top. So at the very top, you can see here the customize men's low-top leather sports sneakers. So the tops will show you what is the Biypod product that you are going to customize. And then the top left side, or the corner, will be the Biypod logo. So the reason here that you can see the Biypod logo is because I am on a demo or on a free plan. So if you are on a starter plan, this is going to be a white label customizer. Basically, you don't see the Biypod logo. Or if you are a creator plan, you also can either remove this or you can change this into your own branding logo, branding colors, and the text here. You can also change it to anything that you want. If you are also in a creator plan, you can change the color of the save button and the add to cart button. So now moving on to the center or the canvas, you can see here the different pieces of the product. You can also switch views. This is the back, a 45-degree. You can also see a visual wherein a model is using the product, side view, and then another 45-degree wherein you can also do some customization for the both. So I really like this combination, so you can see all of the pieces. So then you can hover on the pieces that are customizable. You can visually see it, that they are able to be customized. You can also select it by clicking on it. So selecting on it, you'll see an effect wherein it turns bluish. And then at the very bottom, you can see different tools you can use to add designs on the product. Before we move on to the tools here, I wanted to show you guys here the color base. So on this specific product, there are two color bases. There is the black and there's the white. So if a product only have one color base, you won't be able to see this drop down here. When you change colors, you can see the canvas are going to change also. So this is the black color base of this specific product, and then you can always go back to white. Okay, so I like the white version, so I'll do the customization on the white version. Set the VOT at the bottom. You'll see the add text, add photo, the add element, an AI button, and then the color panel. So let's start with the color panel. You can click on the color and it will easily change the color of your selected piece. So let's say I wanted this to be blue. I want this to be blue also. And then I wanted to make this white again. You see that the white here has the texture. I wanted this to be blue too. Okay, say something like that, and I wanted to add text now. So you can, once you click on add text, you can hit on anything you want, say something like hello. And then you can stretch it down or increase the sizing. You can also rotate it. Basically, it's like Canva. And then when you select a design element, you can also get a sub tools at the very top side. You can delete it, play with the layering, duplicate, Or if it's a text, you also get the subtools for changing the font. Say I wanted this to be a career, something like that. Make it into a ball, italicize it, or maybe change it into an underlined one. You get that? Say something. I wanted this to be lined like this. And you also get a copy and paste on your keyboard. So I'll hit copy here. And I haven't clicked on that. So let's move on to the add photo because that's a better one. So say something here. I'll select this. I'll hit add photo. Basically, you get to upload any photo you wanted. So on this example, I wanted to add the Biypod logo as the photo. On it, something like that. You can easily copy this and then paste it anywhere, like that, so. I want it to be like that. Looks cool to me. And then I'll hit add element. If you wanted to choose any elements here, you get vector and photo. There's a search bar also, which is powerful here. You can search any elements you wanted. So say something like cute dog. Let me choose cute dog here. Oh, I want this. And then you see that'll be added in there. That's a cute dog. Okay. So that's the add element. And then you can also hit the AI here. So you can say, I want it to generate like a cool pattern. Then hit generate. And then this will take some time because it's generating an AI image out of your prompt. So this is a poorly prompted AI, but you have all of the time to play around with it. Something like that. And then I'll hit copy, and then I'll hit face. Something like that. Okay, so you can also check the other views if you wanted. Check the model. And that's how you use the customizer to design. So next would be how to save it and then how to add it to cart, but that's going to be a different video. So I also create different videos still, make a better design, do a design for hoodies, shirts, different kinds of shoes, mugs, bags, and all of kinds of the products. So this is just an initial video introducing different buttons here and how to use them.